Don't try to do the whole pantry at once. Start with one shelf. Empty it out into 5 groups: snacks, breakfast, dinner sides, drinks, and baking. For extras and backstock, I'm using these Dollar Tree fabric bins. They're lightweight, flexible, and perfect for all the overflow. Once knowing when these mindset shifts land. Half of these bins because they're a bit flimsy, so I love these baskets. They're about the same size. Backstock. 2 is visibility. Your pantry should work like a storefront. If you can see it, you'll use it. For staples, I love using these Dollar Tree glass jars. They look high-end, but they're only and here's my trick. Cut the expiration date off the box and tape it underneath the jar. For grabbing out snacks, I use these clear-handled bins. They slide right out. Kids can see everything and nothing gets lost in the back. Step 3 is to stack smart. Think of your pantry shelves as real estate. We're building up, not out. Dollar Tree's wire risers are perfect for this. They give you stadium seating so you can actually see what's in the back. I stack a clear handled bin under and another on top, and you've suddenly doubled your space for a couple of bucks. It's solved. No more, hey, you ate my snacks, because everyone has their exact bin with their favorites. And my favorite, a now zone. A handled bin at eye level where everything open or almost expired goes. If it's in here, it gets eaten first. This is a great way to make sure that you are actually using foods that are going to be expired soon. Here are a few bonus tricks that cost just a couple bucks. For drink packets and small mixes, grab these Dollar Tree pencil holders. They keep everything standing up and neat. For families, give each person a clear handled bin with their name on it. Risers, and clear bins. Remember, big zones, visible storage, and stackable systems. You don't need perfect, you just need a system that works. So if you found this helpful, give this video 2 thumbs up so more people can see it. Subscribe bell so you don't miss next week's Dollar Tree. Check out this organizing video here so you can keep it going.